Unlocking the secrets of verbs. Infinitives are here to help. These handy verb forms follow certain action verbs, adding power and precision to your writing. Let's explore some common verbs that work hand in hand with infinitives to express a variety of ideas. Manage. Example. She managed to finish the project on time. Need. Example. We need to buy groceries. Offer. Example. He offered to help with the heavy lifting. Plan. Example. They plan to travel around the world. Prefer. Example. She prefers to eat vegetables instead of meat. Prepare. Example. He prepared to give a presentation. Volunteer. Example. He volunteered to help with the charity event. Want. Example. They want to go to the beach. Agree. Example. She agreed to help with the project. Wish. Example. She wished to be a famous singer. Dare. Example. He dared to jump off the cliff into the water. Arrange. Example. They arranged to meet at the cafe. Try. Example. She tried to fix the broken vase. Swear. Example. He swore to keep the secret. Regret. Example. She regretted to inform them of the cancellation. Promise. Example. She promised to return the book tomorrow. Pretend. Example. The children pretended to be pirates. Threaten. Example. The storm threatened to cancel the event. Intend. Example. They intend to start their own business. Struggle. Example. They struggled to find a solution. Hope. Example. They hope to visit Europe next summer. Fail. Example. He failed to understand the instructions. Expect. Example. I expect to finish the report by tomorrow. Refuse. Example. He refused to give up. Demand. Example. The protesters demanded to be heard. Forget. Example. Don't forget to lock the door. Thank you for watching Miss English.